Welcome to the M3 Launchpad. The future is now. Please lay on your back as we prepare to put you into zero G. This is the perfect position to rest and relax as you transition into deep personal sleep. This is a feature that can be added to your new M3 sleep system. The M3 is the world's only modular bed, engineered to provide personalized comfort that can evolve over time. With the constant development of new technologies, the M3's modularity enables the ability for enhancements and updates, as well as the capability to clean and maintain your mattress, all within the comfort of your own home. Sleep is personal. Whether you sleep alone or have a partner, your M3 can be built and configured to fit your needs and lifestyle. There are 4 independent suspensions to choose from that are designed to support your body type and sleep position. The comfort layer was created to adapt and conform to you, ensuring weightless support. Airflow matters. Bedgear was the first company to recognize the importance of airflow during sleep. Our bodies can regulate temperature effectively when air moves freely. Other mattresses are made of foam and fabrics that restrict airflow, which increases heat and moisture, reducing your quality of sleep. The M3 is engineered to maximize air circulation throughout every component for the perfect sleep environment. Bedgear is the only brand focused on providing you with 100% of your comfort. Being personally fit for a pillow and mattress ensures this. Sleep fuels everything.